Hi, this is Tim, and this is a test video using the chest harness of my thing you're filming from, which is my GoPro style action camera. So it's been pretty rainy the last few days and we haven't gone out or done anything interesting, so you're going to get FPV footage of me making myself a cup of coffee. How exciting is that? So here is the machine. We want that in steam mode. We want some milk from the fridge, and we want our little milky jug thing with some milk in it, and okay, that's on there, and steam it. And we want the temperature gauge in the jug. Doing. While that's going, have a bit of this. I like a bit of brown sugar in my coffee, so we will have. Actually, I'm not going to do that yet because I want to warm the cup. All right. So take that away now. Otherwise, this auto frothing one produces far too much froth, so I've got my finger on the back on a little hole that lets air in, so I'm constricting the airflow. And surprisingly, it doesn't burn too much. Okay, 45 degrees C. You have to get this up to about 65 C, ideally. Milk starts to scald after that. That's 50. 55, 60, 65, and in the red. We're done. Okay, let's polish the foam. Okay, and let's go out of steam mode. That palaver was just to wash the steam wand out, and then I'm going to run a bit of water in that because I want to warm the cup. Okay, that will do. In the sink. Okay, and fire. Double shot, spoonful of sugar. Okay, can wash the jobby. Just give it a stir. Okay, and then attempt latte art. It usually fails because you can't really do it with an auto frothing wand. Yeah, it's failing, there's too much air in there. So there we are, one perfect cappuccino. Tim signing off.